This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by ensuring device battery is charged to at least 30% before you proceed. Low battery can interrupt recovery operations and brick the device permanently. If your phone is responsive, try a force reboot by holding the power button for 10 seconds to restart the system. If the device has a removable battery, power down and remove the battery for 10 seconds, then reinsert and boot normally. Avoid selecting wipe data or factory reset options until you try simpler exit steps first. Use button combos first because they are fastest and safest for most phones. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to force a soft reboot out of recovery mode. If that fails, connect the phone to a PC with a USB cable and ensure USB debugging is enabled. Run a DB reboot recovery or a DB reboot from a terminal on the PC to instruct the device to restart normally. Navigate recovery menus with volume keys and use power to confirm selections when needed. If soft methods do not work, you may need advanced recovery actions and reflash the firmware. Remember that wipe data or factory reset will remove all user data, so back up important files to cloud accounts first. Use fastboot tools on a PC and run commands like fastboot flash boot im to restore a known good boot image. Samsung users typically use Odin on Windows to flash official firmware packages and restore partitions safely. After flashing, reboot the device and verify normal startup before restoring data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.